In China, this is how the nail in the tire is removed. Second time in 1 month. I don't know anymore. I suspect it's sabotage. I said I came. What is this, bro? I haven't been here yet a month. A nail pierced the car's tire. Are you making Pikachu, or are you doing these to leave China? Let me see. Let me see. This happened for the second time in a month. Pikachu brand new nails. Are you sinking them in the tire of the car? Where to put? Ha! Put it there. What is this? The guy will come now. There is another person here. What is he doing? Of course, they're repairing something here in the same time. Now he is going to scrape that area down by filing it. Look. As I understand, they are turpinning there, then they will stick it there. They stick it together like this using a rubber band. The system was a little different in Russia. That is how they complete the repair. The system in Russia was different. They were enlarging the hole in the tire and sealing it with something else. He cleaned by the vacuum cleaner too. The car's tires have wide dimensions, 245 inches in width and 19 inches in height. Is it because the car is heavy? I wonder if the nail is sinking so much I started to suspect. Actually, this is a summer tire. Winter tires aren't used here. By the way, my glasses. I was sitting in the car. I went out to see how he's doing. Look. Huh, it's steaming. I'm wiping it. It's steam again. Everyone here is a biker. What happened? The phone sometimes stops recording because it gets hot. My phone is locked for some reason. Look, he glued that part. He put glue there. First he filed it. Then he put the glue. How many times has this happened now? This is 3 into months. 2 in 1 month. Someone is coming to the car. Is it a nail? I don't know. There is another car here, a must-have engine. As I said, my glasses are steam, bro. Sweat. Damn it. Things we already know here. Tire youth is the rim of my car. Hey, it's pretty heavy, huh? What is that? How many kilos is this? Though they locked it from here, so it's heavy. Squeezing it now. He will fit tires to car. Anyway, this is how tires are changed in China, bro.